Hi guys, today I'm going to be showing you how you can turn the comments off for your posts. It's actually an interesting topic, so let's get started. Okay guys, so here I have my iPhone. The first thing we need to do is load up Facebook. So with Facebook, it's actually quite interesting is you don't actually have like a general setting that can just turn off comments. The way that you actually do this is to navigate to your profile. So at the very bottom of the Facebook application, you've got all these different icons. Bottom right-hand side is your little profile icon logo. Give that a click, it's going to load up your profile. Now, the way that this works on Facebook is rather frustrating. You have to do this post by post. It can't be done at a global level, at least not yet, right? So the way that this actually works is that you go over to a post, let's take this one right here, and you have these three dots in the top right hand corner of the post. If you click on that, you can see here you have all of these options from pin post, save post, edit post, manage product link, for example. And then it says who can comment on this post. If you click on that option, this is where you essentially are able to turn off the settings. So at the moment, it's public. Anyone can comment on this particular post. You could have it as established followers or profile and pages that you follow, profiles and pages that you mention, and you can control who comments on it this way around. For example, you could have it as established followers if only you want your followers to basically be able to comment on it. If it's profiles and pages that you mention, you can basically select that option. But as you can kind of see, you are limited by who can or how to actually control who can comment on your posts. Now, in this particular case here, the @ mentions, I don't mention people, profiles, or pages. So if I select this option, essentially it means that no one can actually comment on this post for me. Now, it might be different for you, right? For example, if you don't have established followers, you could click that button and it's going to stop people that are not an established follower from actually being able to comment on the post that you've got here. But if it's on public, anyone can do it. So these are the three options basically you've got, and you've got to select the one that's going to give you the right situation or the right kind of result that you're looking for anyway, given the situation is that there is no global setting to actually turn off the commenting function. So yeah, basically it's a post by post kind of situation. You come into the three dots, you click on who can comment on it, and then you select which one of these best suits the situation for you. And so guys, that is kind of how you turn off the comments for your Facebook posts. It's not perfect, don't get me wrong, but it is the best that we have right now. If it works for you, smash that like button, subscribe for more hints and tips, and I'll catch you all in the next one.